Hello children, today we will discuss about megasporangium and megasporogenesis. So first of all we should know where this megasporangium is located. So location of megasporangium. So megasporangium is located in female reproductive part of the flower, which is known as gynoecium. And gynoecium can have one or many structures which are known as pistil or carpel. So if we look at the structure of a pistil or a carpel, it has three parts. First portion is known as stigma, which is the landing part of pollen grains during pollination. After stigma, we have a tubular structure called style, and then at the end we have a bulged out portion which is known as ovary. This is style and this is ovary. So inside the ovary we have ovarian cavity, which is also known as locule or ovarian cavity. So inside this ovarian cavity, our megasporangium, or you can say ovule, is located. So this megasporangium is present and it is attached to the ovary with the help of a structure which is known as placenta. So location is clear. It is present inside the ovary. Next we come to the structure of megasporangium. Next is structure of megasporangium, or you can say ovule. So here we will discuss the structure of Anatropos ovule. So the innermost part of this ovule, it is occupied by a structure known as embryo sac. This portion is known as embryo sac, and embryo sac is surrounded by a special mass of cells which is known as nucellus. And this nucellus, it stores large number of reserve food material for the developing embryo sac. Outside the nucellus, we have two protective coverings, this is known as inner integument, and this is outer integument. So this portion, this is known as inner integument, and this is known as outer integument. So this is the structure of a ovule, and here you can see this structure. This is known as funicle. This structure is known as funicle. Now this is the structure through which it is connected to the ovary, and the portion where this funicle joins the main body of the ovule, this portion is known as hilum. This portion, this region of the ovule is known as hilum. So this is structure